Okay, we're gonna try this out. La Leu, I guess, electric spin scrubber. High speed rotation, 4 brush heads, 3 speed levels. So we have this brush head, which is what I'm going to use. Directions, which I'm probably not going to use. This wire one, and then this one. It's like a polishing thing. And then this spongy one. Sorry, I put you down for a minute. And then it's got a charging cable that just fell in the sink. So let's put this together and give it a try. Well, let me show you a gross sink that's been this way for a long time. I haven't been able to get it clean. And then back there behind it's dirty too. So we'll see what this does. Okay, let's see what it does. It seems to be working pretty good. Well, that's a lot better than it was. Different speeds. Let's try it at higher speed. Yeah, when you put it down, put it down so you can turn it off. Okay, that sink looks a lot better. Let's try it on the tub. Okay, let's try it right here where the tub looks yucky. The dog gets his feet right there, and then that's bad. Let's see. I need some liquid of some sort to make it work. Got some of this fantastic. Nosy wants to know what I'm doing. Towel that I'm wiping it off with. Well, it's better. Not as nice as I would like it, but it's better. I'd like to rip this whole thing out. This window here is like $2,000 to replace this window, so I'd like to just turn this into a shower tub conversion, but we'll see.